In the first step, we go to router number 1 and router number 2, enter EIGRP along with the AS number that is related to that area to create EIGRP and enter its submode. In this section, we define the networks and we must remember to enter the no auto summary command so that the wildcard mask does not get stuck. In R3, since each hand is connected to an AS, you must introduce both AS. In R4 and R5, like the first two routers, we define EIGRP along with its AS number and networks. In this section, you can see that the routers inside each AS are connected to each other and their ping is established. To connect to other ASs, which we have another AS here, we need to introduce the EIGRPs to each other on the border router, which is R3, using the Redistribute tool, and our work is done.